EEI CAST Test. The EEI CAST test is used as part of the recruitment process of many US utility companies. The test is used in the construction and skilled trade to assess the suitability of candidates for jobs in this field. The test may also be used to assess whether existing employees can take on more responsibility, possibly moving into leadership roles. So the test is administered over 2 hours and you will not be allowed to take a calculator, dictionary or any other resource into the test. The test structure. The CAST test is paper-based and entails 110 MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. The test is comprised of following 4 sections as follows. Scoring system. The scores from each section are totaled to create an index score. This is then rated from 1 to 10, where 10 is the most favorable score. The 1 to 10 rating is decided by the employer and in consideration of the specifics of the job. There is no generally accepted pass or cutoff score, as each employer decides what they deem acceptable. This was all. Thanks for watching.